how to reset a course in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or restart a course within Duolingo app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, Duolingo does not give us a really easy way to reset a course within the app. There used to be a workaround on their website where you could actually reset a course, but they have recently removed that option. So really the only way to reset a course is going to be to delete the course and then add it back. So we can do that in the app by, from the home screen here, select either the person icon in the bottom right or the three dots, and then select profile. Once you're on your profile where you see your name, select the gear in the top right, and then just select courses. And then all you need to do is delete the course that you want to reset. So select the delete button. And as you can see, it says it gets rid of all your progress and cannot be undone. So just make sure you're okay with that. Select remove. And then we can go back and then hit home. And now we need to add back that course. And we can do that by selecting the little flag in the top left and then select the plus button next to course and then find that course again. Select continue. And then as you can see, we'll go through the setup process for it where we tell them how much we know about that course and we can start it over. And if for some reason you can't delete the course because you only have one course, first add another course or language to learn, and then you'll be able to delete the one that you want to reset and add it back. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.